This is the AI News Flash for April 26th, 4 a.m. UTC. First up, AMD shares hit an all-time high of $347.81, prompting Simply Wall Street to publish a fresh valuation breakdown. Data Davidson's upgrade triggered the surge, with Intel's strong data center earnings validating CPU demand tied to AI workloads. AMD posted a one-day return of 13.91%. 7-day return of 24.94%, and 30-day return of 70.69%. The one-year total shareholder return reached 259.88%. However, the most followed narrative pegs fair value at $300, meaning current price sits 15.9% overvalued. The market is pricing in expectations that AMD can break NVIDIA's dominance through AI semiconductor diversification. That thesis depends on Meta executing its 6-gigawatt build-out and AMD maintaining pricing power in AI hardware. Amid hyperscaler capex exceeding $650 billion, the analysis warns against excessive optimism on alternative infrastructure demand. Next, the fusion of AI and crypto known as Decentralized AI is going operational in April 2026 as a high-velocity economic engine. Render Network has pivoted from CGI rendering to AI startup infrastructure, hitting a $5.1 billion market cap. Bittensour's Templar subnet completed the largest LLM training run ever on a decentralized network, pushing market cap to $4.2 billion. Venice AI tokens surged over 460% in early 2026 with privacy-first LLM access. Demand is exploding for sovereign intelligence platforms using zero-knowledge proofs and decentralized storage to enable enterprise LLM use on confidential data. Internet Computer (ICP) positions as the world computer for on-chain inference. Virtual's protocol enables non-technical creators to launch AI agents via initial agent offerings. The AI crypto sector market cap reached $28 billion, marking a clear shift from speculation to real utility. Third, American physicians have issued a formal warning against using AI chatbots to self-diagnose medical symptoms, as patients increasingly turn to ChatGPT and Gemini for self-diagnosis. Multiple cases of delayed treatment from misdiagnosis are surfacing due to lack of context and hallucination risks. AI tools cannot integrate medical history, taking physical examination findings and lab results, risking missed serious conditions. Cases of unnecessary emergency room visits triggered by AI overreaction to minor symptoms are also documented. While clinical protocol-compliant AI chatbots like the UC San Diego research project move forward, the dangers of delegating medical judgment to general-purpose AI have emerged as an industry-wide concern. Fourth, according to the Financial Times, Google is doubling down on AI advantage to chase Amazon and Microsoft in cloud market share. Google's 8th-generation TPU 8T and 8i custom silicon delivers 3 times faster training and 80% better dollar per performance, with single-system clusters scaling beyond 1 million chips to capture hyperscale demand. Against AWS leading and Azure ranking second, Google Cloud is leveraging surging enterprise AI demand combined with Gemini Enterprise for differentiation. Partnerships with major AI labs, including Anthropic, provide additional tailwinds, with hyperscaler AI capex topping $650 billion in 2026, Google's vertically integrated silicon, enabling NVIDIA bypass, is being reassessed as a structural competitive advantage. That's all for this AI News Flash.